Hey ocean lovers, welcome back to MaazZ View, where we dive deep into nature's mysteries and uncover the strangest creatures on Earth. Today's topic is something straight out of a dream. A massive rainbow-colored fish with lips like a movie star and a forehead bump that would make any cartoon character jealous. Meet the Napoleon Wrasse, one of the largest and most unique reef fishes in the world. It's not just their looks that make them special. Their life, behavior, and survival story will truly surprise you. So, ready to dive in? Let's explore this underwater wonder together. The Napoleon Wrasse, also known as the humphead wrasse, is a giant reef fish found in the warm waters of the Indo-Pacific Ocean, especially around coral reefs in areas like the Red Sea, the Great Barrier Reef, and the Maldives. They're not just big, they're massive. Males can grow up to 2 meters long, that's about 6.5 feet, and weigh up to 180 kilograms. That's heavier than most humans. Females are usually smaller and less colorful, but still much larger than most reef fish. These gentle giants can live up to 30 years or more in the wild. Now, let's talk about what makes them look so unique. Napoleon wrasses have some of the most distinct facial features in the fish world, a huge hump on their forehead, especially in older males, thick, pouty lips that look like they're ready for a selfie, large, expressive eyes that seem to follow your every move, and a glowing body with shimmering shades of blue, green, purple, and pink. Each fish has its own unique color pattern and facial markings, just like human fingerprints. That hump on its head? It's believed to signal dominance and maturity. The older and more dominant the male, the larger the hump. Kind of like a lion's mane in the underwater world. But there's more to them than just looks. Napoleon wrasses are surprisingly intelligent. They've been seen using tools, solving problems, and even recognizing individual humans. Some divers say the same fish remember them and swim right up to greet them like old friends. These fish are active during the day and cruise through coral reefs looking for hard-shelled animals like crabs, mollusks, sea urchins, and even poisonous sea hares. They have strong teeth and powerful jaws that can crush shells with ease. One of their most important roles, they eat crown-of-thorns starfish, a dangerous creature that harms coral reefs. So, by eating them, Napoleon wrasses help protect reef ecosystems. Now here's where it gets really fascinating. Napoleon wrasses are sequential hermaphrodites. That means they can actually change sex during their lifetime. Most of them are born female, but when there aren't enough dominant males in a group, especially in isolated areas, one large female can transform into male. This change includes a complete shift in hormones, body shape, behavior, and even skin coloration. It's one of nature's clever ways of maintaining balance in the population. But despite how amazing they are, Napoleon wrasses are now endangered. They're hunted for the luxury seafood trade, especially in some Asian markets where they are sold for high prices. They're also victims of coral reef destruction, caused by pollution, climate change, and overfishing. And since they grow slowly and reproduce at a late age, it's very hard for their population to bounce back. Some fishing methods even involve using cyanide to catch them alive, which also kills surrounding coral and other fish. Luckily, there are conservation efforts underway. Countries like Australia and Indonesia have made it illegal to catch or trade them. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to MaazZ View, your home for mysterious animals, science secrets, and nature's wonders. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay curious and keep exploring.